Hey Denise, this is Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to speak to my associate Elizabeth earlier today. Denise, in this quick video, we're going to go over 3 things which you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, you may be asking why we're making this video. Well, Denise, in our research, we found that a lot of small business owners, such as yourself, are too busy taking care of your customers and employees and just don't have time to learn how the internet works. The only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we put together these plans and basically give them away for free. Now, some people implement these plans on their own. Some people call us back. Whatever you guys decide to do with this information is totally fine with us. After this video, if you'd like to chat a little bit, our number's at the bottom of the screen. We're always here to help. Now, the 3 things we're going to talk about, one is going to be content, the other is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, content includes any words on your web page. Google likes to see approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on a web page, depending on the content needed. A keyword is anything that someone may type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Now, keywords should be placed throughout your website within the content, telling Google exactly what terms that you guys want to be ranked for. So, for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to include words like plumber, Oceanside, flooding. That tells Google, who then tells the end user you exist. So, we take a look at your website here. I love your logo, it's very professional. Color scheme looks good. Keep in mind that you can save these pictures as keywords behind them, which is really important. And okay, so like I said before, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words. I put your website words into a counter. Right now you have about 283 words. If we look at your competitor, O'Leary Roofing, we take a look at their website. We can see they have some content, and I put their website in the counter. They have about 718 words. And your third competitor here, which is Bruce Roofing, Bruce by Bruce. We can see their website. They have about 658 words of content on their website. So I believe by adding more words of relevant content and keywords, we can easily outrank your competition. So the next thing we're going to talk about was going to talk about a backlink. A backlink is anywhere one website links back to another website via clickable hyperlink. Now these links act as an endorsement for the user, which then Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for your business. The internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks wins. But just keep in mind, not every backlink is created equal. So you want to have relevant backlinks on your website. You don't want to go out there and get a backlink from a company like Domino's or Pizza Hut because Google just knows that you're not a pizza company and it's not relevant to your business. You definitely want to go out there and get relevant backlinks from other contractors, maybe an HVAC guy that you guys know that has a website, a plumber that you might know that has a website, and or vice versa. So I use a tool called Ahrefs to check backlinks. And right now you guys have 32 backlinks. If we look at your competitor, they have 158 backlinks. And if we look at the third guy, he has 386 backlinks. So that means he has 386 links from other websites linking back to his website. So backlinks are important. The more backlinks you have, the greater the trust ability for Google, the higher your ranking is going to be organically. And the last thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about citations. Now, a citation is anywhere your name, phone number, and address appear exactly as per your Google My Business profile. Citations help you rank in the Google Map Pack, which is extremely important for local businesses like yourself since it generates a huge amount of revenue. So if we take a look at the local map pack, we can see here that these are the organic leads. These are advertising leads. And then we have another sponsor lead here. And then we have the Google My Business map pack, which is right here. And obviously, Roofing by Bruce, he's organically ranking #1 in this search. So if your name, the more your name, address, and phone number is found in more directories, um, like directories like Yelp, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and there are probably hundreds of others. You could also use social media websites. The more your name and directory go are are in directories, the higher you're going to be on this organic search in the Google My Business Map Pack. The idea is for you to bring your brand to be found all over the internet. The higher your online presence, the more Google is going to trust you. So you don't just want to have citations or directories in the Pocono, Northeast Pocono region area. You want to have citations in New York. You want to have in Delaware. You want to have it in Ohio. You want to be in as many directories as possible. Google sees your business out there. They're going to rank you higher in this map pack. Okay, so in recapping, we can say that um, having 1,500 to 2,000 relevant words on your website, keywords, is important. We know that backlinking, having other companies linking back to us via clickable hyperlink, like I said before, the internet is like a popularity contest. So the more backlinks you have, the higher you're going to be ranking. And then the last thing is citations, getting to more directories than your competition. The more your citations go up, the more Google sees you, the higher you're going to be in the organic Google My Business Map Pack, which is right here. So again, I hope this information was informative to you. You can do one of two things. You can actually implement this on your own. It's totally doable on your own. You can do this. You can implement these processes. Or if you decided you need some more information and you want to chat further, feel free to give us a call. Our number's at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching this video again, and hope you have a great day.